Hi guys! Today we're going to unbox one of my favorite snacks, which is Oreo. And I'm also excited because Oreo collaborated with one of my favorite Korean group, which is BlackPink. Yes, so here it is, the BlackPink Oreo. So I bought this BlackPink Oreo, which is one is just strawberry flavor on the cookies with chocolate filling, and the other is cookie with vanilla on the inside. Also, this one with chocolate flavor inside, and the last one with strawberry filling inside. I bought this for because Blackpink picture cards. I'm collecting Blackpink picture cards. Another time. So, what did I get? First, Jisoo! I get Jisoo! Already got one. For the next one, I hope I'm getting these up. Lisa! I'm so excited. Lisa, my favorite. Yeah. Next one, chocolate. And it is rose. 2, 3, 1 to go. And the next one is the vanilla. It's the last. I got Jenny. Not Jenny, but all of them. Since I cannot wait to get Jenny photocard. So it's strawberry. Strawberry. So lucky I got Jenny, so I completed it already. Okay, group photo card, Jenny, Jisoo, Lisa, and Rose. I'm so happy I collected all of them. I don't know if this is the complete collection of cards because I saw in other blogs that they have Lisa. They have Lisa holding a Oreo cookie. But hey, I'm content with this. So excited. So we're waiting for guys. If you want to collect these photo cards, you have to buy Oreo Blackpink Oreo. Thank you guys. Bye guys. Also, when you scan the QR code or enter the barcode of the package, you will get a personalized message from one of the members. So, like this one.
Hi, Barbie. Lisa has a message for you.
Hi, it's Lisa. How are you, Blink? Here's a reminder to take some time off and have some fun. Have an Oreo BlackPink. Dunk it and stay playful. Hi, it's Lisa. Oreo is the world's favorite cookie. Now we have an Oreo that is made specially for every Blink out there. Enjoy Oreo BlackPink with us. Stay playful.